how do you make a decision? Do you pick what you want in the now? Like you want a burger and you eat a burger instead of taking a salad, or you want to sleep in on the weekend instead of getting up early to go exercising, or you buy something that you want instead of saving the money. All that is long-term thinking and short-term thinking. When you're picking the thing that gives you immediate gratification, the thing that you want right now, the burger, buying the thing that you want right now, sleeping in, all that is great in the now, but in the long run, it's gonna hurt you. When you pick the difficult thing, the hard thing, the thing where you don't buy the thing that you want, where you save and invest instead, where you pick the salad instead of the burger, where you get up early in the morning and exercise, all that is long-term thinking, and you're gonna be grateful for that in the long term. But it's difficult, and it's about habit. It's about training yourself to think about the long term. What is the long-term gains of exercising rather than not exercising, and long-term gains of eating healthy instead of eating whatever you want right now, because it's difficult for everybody. But try to train yourself to think long-term. You're gonna thank yourself in the long term later on. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.